What's up? Welcome back to more Nickmercs. Guys, in today's YouTube episode, we're watching crazy moments in nature. I'm talking lightning striking planes. I'm talking volcanoes blowing up Earth. I'm talking Godzilla and aliens. This video is insane. I know you're going to like it. If and when you do, don't forget to like the video, man. And drop a comment down below. Tell me something you've been through. Bad storm, tornado. Any of you guys been through like a crazy hurricane or like a flash flood or something? I'll see you down in there. Enjoy the video. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Peace and love. YouTube, what's going on today, man? Listen. Nature moments from Gary. Nobody was hurt, top left. What happened? Was that lightning? Oh. Whoa! Yeah, I don't mess with the ocean stuff, man. Wow. Look, that's coming.
Wow. The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
God.
Hey, oh.
What the? I see this, The Rock, right? The Rock? Oh no, that's a damn, oh my God. Little flash flood type of thing. Lightning. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, run, Grandma. Volcano? No, it's a flash flood, right? Grandma! Why is she so comfortable right here, bro? Lightning. Ah! Oh my God, bro. Oh my God.
There we go.
Wow. Oh, you're going to feel the sonic boom.
Where do we get the boom?
Oh my God. Why'd they go outside, chat? What is that? Is that Godzilla?
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like
Lightning is
our
insane.
street is starting to flood.
Ah! I've seen this. California. I've seen this. I drove by something like this one time. It's insane. Oh no. Oh wow. Nature's insane, isn't it, man? Just in the blink of an eye, bro. Craziest shit ever. That's a tornado. Oh my God. Oh my God. This guy is recording this from the garage. What a weatherman. Bruce Almighty. Nightmare. That's my nightmare. No. Ah! Run back. Run back. Oh. Nah. Oh. Hey, Gary, I don't know if you put the people weren't hurt top left thing as like a like a YouTube requirement, but brother, there's just no way. In all of these videos, we might not see it directly. Somebody was hurt. Somebody had to get hurt, man. Oh! Ain't no way this is happening. Is that California? Dude, what? Oh my God. What? Is this California? Look at those palm trees. That's gotta be Cali. Oh! What was? Why are people standing right there? God, this is so dumb, man. It's the dumbest shit I've ever seen. Oh my God. Is that real? That can't be real. Lightning? No. Oh, you see the underneath part? It's all dark blue and shit? Yeah, I love this. Oh no. Oh, wait a minute. Did they make it? Wait, bro. Oh my God. They're okay? Wow. No way the roof hit her in the head.
Get that on video.
It's officially over.
You'll never catch me on a cruise ship, bro. You will never catch me on a cruise ship. Oh, Lord. Oh, these guys are psychos right here. Is it an avalanche? No, dude. Cut it. Oh, God. Cut the video. That's a Navy ship. Oh. Oh my God, they're underwater. Wow.
He will get taken too.
Oh my gosh.
Bennett? What is happening?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste?
lo agarré, cabal.
What volcano was that? Oh, yeah. Oh, God, I can't deal with this. Wow. I don't like the lightning ones, man.
Mira.
Godzilla.
No, el que viene de abajo. No.
Godzilla. If I saw this, I'd think it was aliens. Like, my first thought would be like, oh my God, they're here. A sinkhole. Oh my God. Fire? Volcano? What the fuck? What is this, bro? Did the hay all get together and just gang shit, no lame shit? Dude, you can't stand right by the NATO, bro. Oh, I can't watch these people, man. They just don't care. Wow. Whoa, bro. Is that what I think it is? Wow.
Luisín, What the?
I mean, this kid literally just had a tornado spawn on him. Do you hear that? That is cool right there. That's cool.
We seen. What the? Yeah, a tornado.
Oh my God, bro. Wow. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Oh, man. Dude, these videos are awesome, bro. Man, I could watch that for hours, low key, bro, low key.